So if you've created a sequence, an email sequence inside Kit with a number of emails in it, and you want to change the order in which the emails get sent out, you can do that quite easily. Let me just show you. So I'm in here in a demo account using just a demo empty email sequence with just published emails, but they've got no copy in them. So emails 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These will go out in the order in which I've scheduled them. So the first one goes out immediately. Next one goes out 2 days after that one, and then 1 day, and 3 days. The timings are irrelevant. They can be whatever you want them to be. Now let's imagine you have started sending this sequence to some subscribers, and you want to then change the order in which they go out because you realise that email 2 should really be after email 3 instead of the other way around. Well, you can do that if you go down and click on the little hamburger icon of the email you want to move. Just click it and then move it either up or down, depending on where you want to place it. Now, let's imagine I'm going to put 3 before 2 and 2 after 3. I need to remember to click that button there. It says Save Order. If I don't, it won't persist. It won't save. It will just be the way it was. So I'm going to click Save, and now we've got a new order in which these emails will be sent out. So now it's email number 1 immediately, the second email going out 1 day later. Obviously, I wouldn't change the subject lines because they're still meaningful, but for the purpose of this demonstration, it looks kind of mixed up. But the one thing I want to point out to you is that if you do change the sequence or the order in which these emails go out, you need to be aware that if someone's already in the sequence and had already received some of the emails, then they could be impacted by moving that sequence around. So let me show you an example of what I mean. So I'm going to put it back to the way it was. We've now got email 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I decide that email number 4 should actually be the second email, I'm going to move it up to there. Okay, I won't move it yet, but I'm going to move it up to there. But let's say at this point I've just received, I'm a subscriber and I've just received email number 4, and then I come along as the email marketer and I click the order. Now the last email I got was this email number 4 as the subscriber. The next thing Kit is going to do for that subscriber is not send them email number 2 again because they've already received it. They won't get email number 3 again either, or what was previously emails 2 and 3, because they've already received that. Instead, after this email 4, they would jump straight down to email number 5. So it's just something to be aware of if you are changing around the order of emails in a sequence for a sequence that's already got subscribers going through it. So it's as simple as that. To change the sequence, just remember to click that Save Order button and you'll be good to go.